And you know, this week will be a very long week. In fact, the month of November, December, Ekosi, New Year. It will be a very long time because one don't Shatawale is in the news. Because Sheldon any highest area. I'll reply Shatawale, Efa Enra. Live stream of a is OD highest area at Tema become mammy. Emma said, Dick, you share that terminal. Omo Abba reply no. And ya say Mukuma, Memon to the Munacha Wajan Amame, ever comment section. How you Penyah broke me that mess was any demo. Obey like if you do not that, subscribe button, snap back, click notification, and calling for latest update. Now back to the Wajan Amame, ever comment section. That's also about one for us. And now there's a beef between Koyeshadi Sirada's KSS, Koyeshadi himself, highest area, and the Shatawale, and the SM fans now. This is how the whole beef started. Who is all called KSS, and there's one particularly I find the highest area. Now, area, you know. Oh no, only medical in Kenya beef, it may be a chum. Because now a Yibusa question. Scanty with that question say, do you mind dating a musician? No, so I mind because it depends on that particular artist. And you'll be a medical they say, okay, would you like to date or marry medical? So no. Medical, they won't 20. I can't marry medical.
Anything.
Would you marry a musician?
It depends on the artist, Chrono. Not just any musician. I can marry someone like Stonebwoy.
Okay, which artist can you
I can't marry medical.
Why?
No, he's so childish.
Okay.
Yes, I can marry medical. I can't marry medical in squad, no. But I can marry Stonebwoy, Sarkodie. You know, these people, Blacko, 23 years boy. Look at him.
What has he done?
He's doing great. He's taking Ghana there. So, yeah.
I don't know, on several occasions, highest area, you know, or clashing with medical, medical behaves like a baby, just or say akora, or can't be done and the child medical. Only say medical and also free AMG business no or forming the gang, our two beyond control, BYK, beyond control. Now, Omu public relation team, no Omu airpay, you know, officer, I'm another, so be a PRO, I'm another, Omu beyond control team, no, ano. And no, I don't do any human, no. Medical, I call Fred, highest area. Every now and then, no reading at terminal or no, no, command appointment. That was last week Tuesday, and an appointment letter a buy. Now, no, and as I do about news cinema. Now, all the medical no on it shall tell you, Omo too early, she says, Omo Ekapa, Omo ye, and you animal answer. Show be a Shatawale airborne, medical, I was here. Southern medical, show be also airborne, shatter, I was, you know. They are two inseparable entities, ultimate and separate, ultimate two, one year. And then say na Shatawale ayane Shatter Fest, no, that is the 40th birthday at Independence Square. Didn't we see it? The aftermath of the program, conversation mu, Anna highest area no, or can say, oh mo ba hon Shatter fans no, oh mo no mo share there, eja do be share ke 12. Wakazi oh mo no mo share no, and an atomic bomb.
Don't know, collapse. Says, thanks be fun. Like there was that
most like the shatter one, like you say armpit or odor.
Yeah, so that thing if it enter your nose, you'll be there.
Did you see anyone complain about armpit odor?
That's what happened.
Were you there?
I'm telling you.
Charlie.
One crowd now on the go on the show.
They
will cut their deal.
Charlie,
free, is it?
Obi call Fitano power.
Obu tablet, kuma. Hey, Penyah, Benyasem, Nasa, Benyasem. What are you here, Benyasem? Oh, Manu Kuma. Sasam can say, you know, I Shatawale he, but that time last time is in 21 reply. It's a cover say, Shatawale, Ninia Medical, episode on my appointment to, you know, highest area, no, and no Nanya Shatawale, don't Shatawale trace here and here. Say, Eri, upon the Wakan for SM fans, no SM movement, no. Mwana wo se be adwuma de a enye se memi wale metiase ama wakọ ye adwuma e wo beyond control team ni mo de a Jesus be mama BJ
you be chin way there, you be stupid guy with you advise the girl kwasia medical say you go work with the girl where I go vex me say go work where I go vex you advise am kwasia mo advising na mo de aiden mo advising na mo de aiden advice mo de aiden. Shatter movement fans, I tell you something. Medical, one of the loyal and most understanding artists that I work with. There's no way nobody can bring anything between me and Medical. But you see, that tweet I say, Coach Sheldon go to, I swear, hey, that Harry girl, tell your mother say I dey do video for him. Tell your mother say I say he mother. Your family members for them are mothers. Who be your family? Tell them say me is at our, I know they fear them. Them are mother. See ya? So we Jimmy, you better catch us. So we Jimmy. Who can say we Jimmy? Me, I go be billionaire and I go be very fucking stubborn like this. Billionaire will be stubborn. A boy. Who say that? Who say if you na be fa come na be, you be seeing this ah. You free ah, you call sikana e ba say, sikana e ba. Sikana you me sorry free but sikana ba. Boy, you put like you do how you put if you think. How you put if you think. You this stupid girl, you go the day, you come, it's still no sense. Like you put it there, and they get your types. They get your types. Wait, book on it. I don't need anybody for I don't need anybody for you poor industry. I don't fucking need any of you in your industry. Trust me. You poor all poor people way you just come they do music. I don't need anybody from your industry. Man come, they show you put the way, they tell you say, no, this be how you do them. Sorry, girl, no, now wait, Jimmy, now what's on there? Better me cut it. Better me cut it, and some who medical, what's that? What Jimmy, who can say why? You feel like fine or what? But see, maybe some boy today, they don't say, Eric, they were in a trap bomb, getting in a trap bomb rough. Maybe I'll trap bomb more because, yeah, Nippon no come make who saw but you can shatter movement fans, then the show we do, no, the people they collapse and they are pit with it. No worry, also trapon, but now we try to say public toilet 3 I journey together from Tamale to Wa public toilet. Then we can join Nima public toilet and Newtown public toilet. That be how your pussy they smell. Your pussy they smell like public toilet. Your pussy they smell like public toilet. Because of the nonsense conditioning that he advised you already. He advised himself. You know, see head. He advised himself. If he advised himself, like long time he do surgery. Because he get brain blast. In brain blast where the blood spatter for him. That's why head make like that, no? You did that, you could say your head make like girl big pants. Your head look like Bontos girl way in pants way hata. You can't say that if they talk to him. If people make a industry. Mama, where I catch right now, if anybody do, we go do. You understand me? And they try set up, among get, my king's palace, things. If I don't come like people, now Shatawale. But I no change. I no go change for anyone. You poor, you. Mubusha for muchakra. Mubusha for muche. Min come to Mubusha for muche. Eh, that girl make I not see you near medical again. Forget. You don't go work with them. Forget anything. Satan mess. I say. Insult them out to the internet ink go finish. Insult them. Me I give you order. Insult them. Who say you get power for this country can stop you? Make you can stop you. Make we see for this country. Because when they do, who get power where they stop them? Abua insult. But man, make you put insult that movement. Make you go hard. Insult them. A family. Them are kiddies. Anybody where they around them. But man, insult them. Abua. Muka se mo nyansa. You bet you say Ghana no. More Ghana by a shatter movement. You get Ghana, but we get shatter movement. Mama, shatter movement we chapas Ghana. Shatter we chapas Ghana. But make people not do make mouth vest for this country.
Yes, wale man LPBG at the Mukra no tie or born adwen actually Kwadwo Sheldon studios. Can't check Kwadwo Sheldon mo the deal me na tem. Na eno ena no pele with your highest area. Ene Kwadwo Sheldon aba reply. Na enye easy e japa highest area about no point lies.
Why? Because somebody say make a be in PR. And this person in question is somebody that I have had little issues with. And when whoever that contacted me to be a PR for the person, I told him, go tell him that I said this about him. So if he still wants us to work, done deal. You go. Because I am in for the kudi, but you cannot disrespect me because of your money. You don't feed me, you don't feed Mama Monica. Even if it's 10 pesos, I'll be okay with it. At the end of the day, my mommy doesn't sleep on the street. She doesn't come on Facebook Live. She doesn't tell people that me treating me here. Mama Monica is okay. So when I told this person to go tell them, They came back and said, Eri, we dey near you. Can't bring maturity for one camp inside. I said, oh, maturity, they had your two or KSS, your two ha. It's a bremo. It never happened before. Say PRO go meet artists, do meeting. That very day they go give you cash. People are like, unless you sign something, but me they give me money. So whatever thing I posted on my page concerning the artist, I was paid for it, and I did it. Work was done from the same artist, medical. He said, highest theory. I told Kofi, who is my manager, that this girl, less than 24 hours, she has done the job. Oh my goodness. I proved it. Yes. So they wanted to work with me. Fast forward Saturday, whoever that was giving me the connection, I had to meet up with him because medical wanted to do, or he wanted to do a donation for Chief Imam ahead of his concert and everything. So I was in the office where I saw a video. That one artist calling himself the greatest of all time, but he's not. Doing a video saying that before medical go employ me, make her give him BJ. But I want to say,
Mary. So prior to all these things happening, she had apologized. Now, whatever people choose to say on this platform, sometimes it's not like we allow people to go wayward. In the heat of the argument or in the heat of the moment, people say things. And sometimes when you realize that, oh, I do this and this and that. When the thing happened, we all advised when she came to tell me that she's going to work with medical, I was like, hey, you sure? Because Charlie, you had this back and forth with him on social media and things. So how is this thing going to pan out? So when I saw the press release and everything, media was like, okay, so they've forgiven each other and they are moving on. Prior to whatever, when her announcement was put out in the newsfeed and there was backlash, she apologized. So we were supposed to move on from there. But the thing is, I don't know what kind of collaboration or attachment this particular artist has with this particular artist. Because if you cannot make your own decisions where somebody has to come in and make you look, their fan base all over the place, bro, people are talking about people. Do you know the number of people he has offended? In this country, the number of people he has insulted.
And these are the same people you've gone back to help you.
What are we talking about? We all make mistakes. And if she had not apologized, I will sit here and say, now, where they were in. She apologized. Medical understood the assignment. And they were supposed to move on from there. Until he came in. That's why I say, you see, bro, you need to do some level, apply common sense to situation. I will always tell people, do whatever you want to do. But at the end of the day, the application of common sense is pivotal when it comes to growth. And I'm not seeing it in this conversation. But at the end of the day, I don't expect much from these people. Bro, I have lowered my expectation into the gutters. That is where they belong.
Okay. So Saturday when I saw the video, I was like, it can be a joke or whatever thing he's saying it is. But you, the artist in question where you are employing me to be your PRO, you couldn't defend me at that spot. But you were laughing over it. What was funny? That was my question. So I was just thinking about it that I'm not even going to work with you again. But I still had to meet up with him. So we go do the donation. So when I got there, I told him I don't want to be in any of the videos or pictures. Because the job, I'm not too sure I'm going to do it. Fast forward, after their donation and whatever, we drove off and then we went to park somewhere and we were talking. I showed them the video. Oh, they know nothing about it. And why was he supposed to do so? And that I asked him a question. Is BYK connected to SM or whatever? Are you guys doing something together? Because you are the one employing me. So why would an artist come out to say that before you employ me, I need to give him a BJ? Let me state this fact. That me, Erica, that's my lips. I don't suck dirty stuff. Jesus! This is something you should know. You are old enough to be my grandfather. I started listening to Bandana from Ghana when I was in class 2. And I have grown up and you are fighting with me. And you sit on social media. You sit everywhere to insult me and insult my mother. That is your national anthem. My mother, this, my mother. Yes, I have a mother. And to your fans that are saying I am born to, look, are you born to looking this fresh? God damn it. Bless me with more babies. At least if I am born too, my kids are with me. Your kids spread like COVID-19 on the real. This woman was there for you. Your own mother said, what you talk about him, and you sit down and you say stuff that you are not even supposed to say. For your information, those kids you people are posting or that child you are posting is my kid brother. The only brother that I have. And that lady's picture you've gone to pick, Eri's throwback, is my mother. The fact that you people have low IQ, you don't have common sense to research well. After everything, the life, the insults and all that, saying filthy things about me and my private part and everything, it makes me know the kind of person you are. And one, this kind of attitude, need you forget the Grammys, no? Forget the Grammys. You know, go get. You never go get them. I tell you on a fact. Say you never go get them. For you to come live 1 hour. I'm even surprised to date Onya and your mom. Because the only time this artist will get a hit song is when he has a beef. PRO, beef, mu PRO.
He didn't do a song for you. Oh.
I'm even surprised. So I was using your sound rather. And your fans that are in my DM coming after me, let me tell you people. Mukumi amungu obia. Yenyanko poni edine chikra ye kuni maye. Mukumi amisi mungu obia. And highest Eri will still be there. It will still be there. Send your Sheldon Kaino. He scout out people. And I am that girl. You people who cannot do anything.
And how
I am telling you. Swimming pool. And if you have a movement that does not move, I have a movement that moves. I am highest Eri. I do not want you people coming under my comment section to write whatever thing you want to write. Because we are not even grace mates. Mr. God is using you people to announce the name highest Eri, but you don't know.
It's true.
You people are spreading highest Eri. I had 14 followers on X on Friday. And right about now, 10K. Thank you guys so much. I didn't know say that beef PR open now, but now sounds like your account builder.
Yes.
You are doing great.
Sensational. Bro.
Switch it to Instagram.
Yeah.
Because Instagram to me here followers.
Yeah.
And switch it to TikTok.
Use all of them.
I didn't know that X was this fun.
When he goes on live, I think you should send your social media handles to him. So that he will announce it. He will mention it in there. That is how we do it, bro.
And I posted a video while I was in my room, like I did a video say, Ket is mutai and die. On a real, me a tie. But you your career die. That be the tie and die. Me, a tie. A tie like a tire, but you your career it die. You see the song where Sheldon play from Sarkodie. How long was this song? But still to date, your boy, it go give you throwbacks. It go give you memories. What you not tell Sarkodie? What didn't you do to Sarkodie? But today you are kissing his. That is who the highest is. You figure say Sarkodie, they give you that shout out and it be good. Stage Tema, we know the carry last. Your boys cannot do me anything. I have no child, and if I have a child, we have people that have been married for years without a child. So if I have 2 kids, and whoever Mama Monica is, whether she's that, she's a proud mother. I can speak for myself. Those defending me, thank you so much. But mama, who pressure and bringing out my throwback pictures. It is on my page. I posted it there for people to know what God is doing. Throwback is like behind, like a nyoma, and forward there. No, so the throwback when you bring it, compare it to the current one. I am that girl. I am whoever I think I am. My name remains the same, highest Eri. You can't do me nothing. To me until God gives you that chance. But thank you guys so much. Shatta, I appreciate you for the love, for boosting my page. Like Nyami Shrao, you've done a great job, which you don't know. Nyami Shrao medical, whatever you wanted to achieve, me too, I achieved it. I wanted that name to be there, and it is there. Conversations have started the whole week. There's a show that went on, when the show or whatever. What is trending? I am the news, and I'll make you keep talking. And to you, let me just send this little one to Bongo Ideas. I see you ranting on social media, saying that Sheldon pays me 500 Ghana. Fair enough. And you was some. So to me 10 pesos. Now me you okay with it? Fuck it. I am okay.
Remember, don't worry.
I am okay.
Remember, there's Bongo Ideas, right? Remember, oh, they keep talking. I'm coming.
If Sheldon pays me 500 cedis, and I believe it's okay for me, I want to grab this opportunity. It is an offer. He didn't force me. I am okay with it. I don't do that. You don't come out praising people, you don't come out insulting people, backdoor, you are begging them. This artist that wanted to sign me told me point blank that you are always in his DM, begging him for Momo. But out there you are insulting him. I don't take nonsense. I told you people that this platform is too big. And because of where I am a bit restricted. If on a normal, if my own podcast, by this time, you people go here. I am telling you, the name highest, you people should check the meaning of highest and then shatter. Highest, they mean something else. And shatter to they mean something else.
This is Bongo Ideas. This is Tuesday, 11th November, right? This is from Bongo Ideas, right? Hi, bro. What's good? Reaching out about how we can collaborate together. Also, I know a couple of highly intelligent and well-articulated guys who would love to explore opportunities at your end since there appears to be vacancies. Also, if the initial details of the post I made a week ago offended you, that's the salary details. Sorry, I really would love us to collaborate together.
Collaborate with yourself.
I do not intend to get paid, so I would appreciate we could move beyond every barrier. It doesn't. So basically, no.
So what I said, you just confirmed it.
But like, this is
You
our
are
chat,
out
bro.
there making noise.
He's been like, this is like some weeks ago.
You are out there making
You come
noise.
on social media and come
And
and
then
bastardize
backdoor,
you. Then backdoor you
saying
come.
stuff.
This is why I say I no go even. It's here. It's there. All begging, like, or shall I say bro? You talk about you talk about people, people's issues. You champion for better salaries for government. You use your platform to discuss and digest so many issues. People find personal, but this is where you wanna draw the line. But then the information that he put out there is a lie. You understand?
I don't know where you get your
you
things
Bongo
from.
ideas. you Bongo ideas there. Oh, it's funny because all these things there, he's basically begging. He's basically begging. Like, he will come and write. Someone close to you is telling me that Ajo and Andy Terry, like, he didn't want my attention. Like, I am like a role model to him. He wants to be like me. And I feel like, you see, he wants to use my platform to whitewash his image. And I saw that long ago. He sees himself as an intelligent person, but he's not. He wants to use me, my platform that I have toiled for 8 years to build. He wants to come and sit on here and whitewash his image so that he will be accepted. You see the backlash he gets when he visits the ministers and the MPs, when they post the pictures and people move to them like, do not entertain this guy. Nobody is even accepting you in this country, you understand? Because of the kind of notoriety that you've built around your brand. We can never be mates, bro. You always look up to me. That is willed by God. You will always be in that situation. You can never also be bigger than me. And so you just humble yourself. And the humility self you they bring, I know go take you, bro. You will not use my platform to whitewash your image, bro. Whatever you have done in this life, continue doing it. And I will not engage you on my platform.
That's it.
You have a YouTube channel, right? How is it going? If it be easy, do them.
Do them, make
you
you
sit
see.
there and and at this and you're shouting shoot. No worry.
Do them.
I will not take it. Apply the sense that you think you have, and then build it and let's see whether it will survive.
Simple.
We can never be the same, bro.
Simple.
Know your level.
Simple.
Agenda. We have things to achieve in this life, bro.
So in front of
or we can create a show called KSS Critic. Me KSS. The day you see Bongo,
do it Bongo.
The day you see Bongo on my platform, maybe they're not maybe a mawu and will be taking decision or hand them. Bongo on my platform, God forbid. I would rather die than put that guy on my platform.
Right.
Let it be on record.
And this week, this month, and this year, it is going to be a very long time for Shatawale, SM Movement, and Koyoshade and Highest Area, together with KSS. The best update on that. Wait until I comment section. Hi, Penyah Media.